Hi, I'm Streaky from Streaky.com. Today I'm asking you the questions. Hi, so this is really going out to my subscribers who watch me on a daily basis, and I just want to ask you what you want to see from my videos. I just kind of put stuff out randomly, always have done. The channel is growing, I do stuff every day. I'm not running out of my own ideas, but I really want to just ask for your feedback in the comments to what you want to see from this channel. What do you want from me? As you know, I'm a mastering engineer. I'm working on kind of high-end stuff, low-end, all over the place stuff. I'm an analog guy. I'm also in the box, so I'm kind of a hybrid. I have to be these days to get the level that I want to get. So do you want to hear about mastering? Do you want to know about mixing? Do you want to see more pro audio reviews? Do you want to see more hi-fi reviews? Would you like to know about headphones? Would you like to know about in-ears? Would you like to know about studio gadgetry? Would you like to know about room correction? Or would you like to know about acoustics in the room? I'll answer any question. I'm a bank full of useless information. I want to share it with you. I want to help you get a better sound. I want to help you get a better sounding room. I want you to hear things really well. And I think by a little bit of my knowledge and a bit of your own knowledge blended together, I think you'll get there. So anything you want to know, please put in the comments what you want from me, and I'll hopefully deliver it for you. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.